Welcome to USA Immigration and Visa, your go-to destination for navigating the complexities of the American immigration system. Whether you're seeking information on visas, green cards, citizenship, or the latest immigration policies, our channel is here to provide you with comprehensive guidance and expert insights. Join us as we explore the ever-evolving landscape of U.S. immigration law, offering practical tips, success stories, and invaluable resources to help you achieve your American dream. Subscribe now and embark on your journey to a brighter future in the United States. For the multitude eagerly anticipating their turn in the employment-based and family-based immigration queues, projections in the Visa Bulletin offer insights into potential timelines for applying and securing green cards. Understanding the green card system is important, and predictions aim to help people plan their immigration journey. The April Visa Bulletin gives updates on when priority dates will progress for family and employment green cards, crucial for those dealing with the system complexities. The significance of final action dates lies in their role in determining the processing timeline for applications. These dates are specific to visa types and geographical origins, influencing the overall wait time for the issuance of green cards. The government expects to allocate 165,000 green cards to employment categories in fiscal year 2024. This is less than the 197,000 allocated in FY 2023, but more than the required 140,000. Thanks to the extra 25,000 in used family-based green cards from fiscal year 2023. Fixing the long delays in the green card system needs comprehensive reforms. However, getting Congress to agree on immigration changes is challenging for lawmakers, and not much is expected to change in the next few years. Key updates for April 2024 include EB-1 China. The final action date advances by 6 weeks to September 1, 2022. EB-1 India. The final action date advances by 5 months to March 1, 2021. EB-1 Rest of the world. The final action date is current. EB-2 All countries except China and India. The final action date advances by 7 weeks to January 15, 2023. EB-2 China. The final action date advances by 1 month to February 1, 2020. EB-2 India. The final action date advances by 6 weeks to April 15, 2012. EB-3 Professional/Skilled Worker. China. The final action date remains unchanged at September 1, 2020. EB-3 Professional/Skilled Worker. India. The final action date advances by 6 weeks to August 15, 2012. EB-3 Professional/Skilled Worker. Rest of the world. The final action date advances by 2.5 months to November 22, 2022. USCIS will adhere to the final action dates for employment-based categories in April. The U.S. State Department projects minimal to no movement in priority dates for employment-based categories throughout the remainder of fiscal year FY 2024, concluding on September 30, 2024. However, it is emphasized in the Visa Bulletin that recent trends in final action date movements are subject to change, and retrogressions are possible due to fluctuations in applicant demand and other influencing factors. Therefore, applicants are urged to stay informed and be aware of potential adjustments to the projected timelines. Applicants who have experienced excess delays have few options for visa issuance if an I-140 priority date is no longer current or has been significantly affected by retrogression. One option is to explore porting or downgrading one's visa category. This avenue is most workable for individuals downgrading from EB-2 to EB-3. Since the visa cutoff dates are not completely predictable, applicants should carefully consider this option before starting the process. Some applicants may choose to watchfully wait for the next Visa Bulletin to make a decision. The final action dates chart determines when an I-485 can be approved, while the dates for filing chart determines when an applicant can file an I-485. Suppose you have an adjustment of status, AS, application currently pending. Your priority date must be current under the final action chart to adjudicate your green card. Family-based green cards. The category for family-based immigration comprises 4 preference levels based on who your sponsoring family member is in relation to you. There are 5 chargeability areas for this category: China, India, Mexico, the Philippines, and all other countries. Due to the global pandemic and limited appointments at overseas consular offices, family-based immigrant visas continue to see low usage numbers. Therefore, any unused family-based visas get added to the EB categories. Family-based dates for filing charts. The dates for filing chart determines when an applicant can file an I-485. In the F1 category, we see no change across the board from the February bulletin. China, India, and all other countries of chargeability remain at September 1st, 2017. Mexico remains at April 1st, 2005, and the Philippines remains on April 22nd, 2015. In the F2A category, all countries are at September 1st, 2023. In the F2B category, China, India, and all other countries of chargeability remain at January 1st, 2017. The Philippines stayed on October 1st, 2013. Mexico remains at August 1st, 2004. In the F3 category, there is no change across the board. China, India, and all other countries of chargeability remain at March 1st, 2010. Mexico remains at June 15th, 2001, and the Philippines remains at November 8th, 2003. In the F4 category, China and the rest of the world remain at March 1st, 2008. India moves to April 8th, 2006, while Mexico is at April 15th, 2001, and Philippines moves to April 22nd, 2005. Family-based final action dates chart. The final action dates chart shows some changes since the last bulletin. In the F1 category, India, China, and the rest of the world remain at February 8th, 2015, while Mexico is at May 1st, 2001, and the Philippines at March 1st, 2012. In the F2A category, all countries advance to September 8th, 2020 except for Mexico at August 15th, 2020. In the F2B category, there is no change across the board since the last update. In the F3 category, we see countries remain at October 1st, 2009, while Mexico remains at September 8th, 1998, and Philippines at June 8th, 2002. In the F4 category, we see China and the rest of the world at June 8th, 2007, while India remains at December 15th, 2005, and Mexico at October 15th, 2000. Employment-based green cards. With 5 different preference levels and 7 chargeability areas, USCIS issues employment-based category visas through your job or occupation. The chargeability areas are China, India, Mexico, the Philippines, Central America, Guatemala, Honduras, El Salvador, Vietnam, and the general category. Employment-based final action dates chart. We see some changes in the final action dates chart in the employment-based category. For EB1 China, the final action date advances by 6 weeks to September 1st, 2022. EB1 India, the final action date advances by 5 months to March 1st, 2021. For the rest of the world, the final action date is current. In EB2, all countries except China and India, the final action date advances by 7 weeks to January 15th, 2023. China advances by 1 month to February 1st, 2020. India advances by 6 weeks to April 15th, 2012. For EB3 professional/skilled worker, China, the final action date remains unchanged at September 1st, 2020. EB3 professional/skilled worker, India, the final action date advances by 6 weeks to August 15th, 2012, while the rest of the world advances by 2.5 months to November 22nd, 2022. Employment-based dates for filing chart. Here are the April 2024 Visa Bulletin final action dates for employment-based immigrant visas. EB1 China remains unchanged with a cutoff date of January 1st, 2023. EB2 China stays consistent with a cutoff date of June 1st, 2020. EB3 China maintains the same cutoff date of July 1st, 2021. EB1 India advances to April 1st, 2021. EB 3. India advances 45 days to September 15, 2012. Worldwide, except China and India, EB1 is current for all countries except China and India. EB2, worldwide, all other, remains unchanged with a cutoff date of February 15, 2023. EB3, worldwide, all other, maintains the same cutoff date of February 1, 2023. Date for filing charts and I-485. You'll notice there are 2 charts for each category. The date for filing chart determines whether or not one can submit the final immigrant visa application. The final action date chart indicates whether an immigrant visa number will be available. If you need to file an adjustment of status, Form I-485, you need to follow the final action date chart to know when to file based on your priority date. However, sometimes USCIS will note that they'll accept I-485s based on the date for filing chart. USCIS will use this chart when more immigrant visas are available than applicants. USCIS announces which chart applicants can use within a week of the visa bulletin's release. As we conclude this journey through the intricacies of USA immigration and visa, remember that knowledge is your greatest ally in navigating the path to your American aspirations. Stay informed, stay empowered, and never lose sight of your dreams. Whether you're embarking on a new chapter in your life or supporting a loved one on their journey, we're here to support you every step of the way. Thank you for joining us, and until next time, may your path to the United States be filled with hope, resilience, and success. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more invaluable insights on USA immigration and visa. Wishing you all the best on your immigration journey.